It's day 2 of our camping adventure. Yesterday, after a busy day outdoors, we chowed down on some of the best country-style ribs I ever had. Then after dinner, we were so stuffed we ended up taking a hike all around the lake before toasting some marshmallows around the campfire. And after a morning of fishing, and not being very successful, we decided it was time for another camping staple, hot dogs and beans, but with a twist, of course. We start out by sauteing a chopped onion in a cast iron skillet, and that can be over a campfire, a grill, or even a portable burner. Once they're golden, we toss in some hot dogs that we've cut up, along with a couple cans of baked beans and a bit of ketchup and mustard. After this simmers for a bit and all the flavors come together, we top it off with some corn chips, which adds a welcome crunch. There you have it, an all-in-one skillet favorite that's so filling and comforting, it's perfect after a busy day of camping. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for what we call amazing hot dog and bean skillet, because it's truly that. Let me tell you, it may sound basic, yet it's anything but. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a rustic yet satisfying way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.